click on account information at the top of your screen. Now, can you guys see? It is now showing me United Kingdom. This is a new UK account. It is very easy. You don't need to pay anybody to do this for you. Look at it. This is a United Kingdom TikTok account. Hello guys. So a lot of you have been asking me that they want to learn how to open international TikTok account, and the good thing about it now is you don't actually need VPN, or you don't need a UK US number. We all know that Nigeria is not eligible. So if you are using a TikTok account that is a Nigerian TikTok account, or any of those countries are not eligible, then trust me, you are wasting your time. So for those of you asking, how will I know if my TikTok account is a Nigerian TikTok account or not? Some people actually don't know. So before I show you guys how to create it, let me quickly show you guys something, how to check if your account is a UK, a US, a Nigerian, or anyone, or maybe someone did it for you and you just want to be sure. So let's quickly check. I have a particular account that it is not a UK account. It's actually a Nigerian TikTok account. I started this account before I was able to later open my account. So once you open your TikTok like this, all right, you click on this, your profile icon here. Once you click on the profile icon, click on these three lines at the top of your screen. Next, you click on this settings and privacy. If you click on this settings and privacy, next you click on account. Now, if you click on account, you're going to see account information just at the top of your screen. Go ahead and click the account information. Now, if you look at it. This is a Nigerian TikTok account. Look at it. It's boldly showing account region Nigeria, and I can't actually change it. All right. Even if I'll change it, I'll have to travel to that location. Let's assume the UK. If I want to change it to UK, I have to travel to the UK and probably share my location, and TikTok have to be sure that I'm truly in the UK. But when you're creating the account, there is how you can actually do it without VPN, and that is what I'm going to be showing you guys on this video. So you guys should just stay with me and make sure you watch to the end. So once you open your TikTok like this, let me start from the beginning so that you guys will understand. All right, once you just open your TikTok account, you click on your profile icon. Look at this drop down arrow menu here, all right, where the name of your account is. So you click on add account. Once you click on add account, now look at this location down. Just look at the below your screen. This place is showing already have an account. At the top of it a little bit, you're going to see this write up that says, by continuing with an account located in Nigeria, you agree to our terms and conditions. And we all know that Nigeria is not among those countries that are monetized or are eligible to be monetized on TikTok or earn on TikTok, except you're using a foreign TikTok account. So click on the Nigeria that is written here in blue. After clicking on the Nigeria, so you're going to search the country of your choice. I actually prefer to use the UK. You can use the US if you want. So I'll just go ahead and type United Kingdom. Look at it here. You select it. Now, can you guys see that it is no longer showing Nigeria? So once you are able to change it like this before opening your account will automatically be a foreign account. Now, what you're going to be doing next is, if you're using an Android phone, it's going to show you two options to either use your phone number or use your email. I would always advise you to use your email, and you're going to be creating a fresh email that you've not used before. A fresh email that you've not used before, that's what you're going to be using. Don't use that your old email that you used to open that your previous TikTok account. Use a fresh email entirely. All right. Now what you're going to do now is you're going to click on this continue with email. All right. So you click on it. Then you go ahead and type in your email. So I'll go ahead and use this email. This is a new email that I've never used it on any TikTok account. So you can go ahead and create one if you don't have. Very, very important, guys. You don't need VPN to do this, guys. You don't need VPN. So you go ahead and click on continue. Now, you wait. TikTok are going to send you verification code to that your email so that you can use to verify your account. So what you're going to do now is you go to and check your inbox, and then you come back. So I've opened my email and look at it. TikTok have sent me a verification email, so I'll just go ahead and click on verify. So once I click on verify, it will bring me to this date of birth, and then I'll select my date of birth. All right, then you wait. Now it will show you this interface to create a password. So you go ahead and create your password. So what you're going to do is make sure your password has 8 character maximum. You have to mix letter, number, special characters together. All right, so I'll just go ahead and then I'll click on next. Then you can add any nickname of your choice. So let me just, this is just a tutorial video, so let me just write Tasha P, or let me write level up with Tasha. Click on continue, and look at it, guys, our account is ready. Now if you want to be sure if you did the right thing, so you just go ahead and click on these 3 lines at the top of your screen, click on settings, then you click on accounts, click on account information at the top of your screen. Now can you guys see it is now showing me United Kingdom? This is a new UK account. It is very easy, you don't need to pay anybody to do this for you. Look at it, this is a United Kingdom TikTok account, and if you use it this way, you're going to get monetized and you will get paid within a very short period of time. As you guys can see, this is a brand new account. I've not done anything here, so you can go ahead and do all your settings, guys. If this video was helpful to you, please guys kindly like this video and also subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. See you guys in our next. Bye.